Good morning to all. I am Shivani Pradeep of class 9th. Most important than what is behind you and what is ahead of you and what is in you. Seek it, centered in it, act and live. With this inspiring quote of Swami Chinmayanandaji, let us begin with today's news. National news. Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi honored with Bhutan's highest civilian award. The award was conferred by the King of Bhutan in recognition of Sri Narendra Modi's contribution to India-Bhutan relation and its service to Bhutan and its people. Bhutan on Friday conferred its highest civilian award on Indian Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi on the occasion of the Himalayan country's National Day, as reported by the Hindustan Times. International news. 27 people feared death in the building fire in Japan's Osaka. 27 people are feared death after a fire broke out in a building in Osaka in western Japan. Fire department officials said Friday, December 17, 2021. The fire started on the fourth floor of an 8-story building in a shopping and entertainment area of Kitashinchi, Osaka City Fire Department officials said, as reported by The Hindu. Sports news. Lakshya Kidambi Srikanth assured of maiden medals at BWF World Championships. 20 years old Lakshya created history by becoming the youngest Indian to win a men's single medal in the World Championships. He will face Kidambi Srikanth in the last 4 stages. PV Sindhu, however, was dethroned by Tai Tzu Ying 17-21, 13-21 in the world's women's single quarterfinal, as reported by the Times of India. Moving on to the Vidyalaya news. Human Rights Day. Human Rights Day is observed by the international community every year on 10th December. Our Vidyalaya observed Human Rights Day through various activities. Class 11 students Arun, Vismaya, Neha and Gayatri conducted a webinar on the topic We Are the Change. For the classes 7 and 8, they created an animation video to inspire the children how they can bring a change. Kickboxing champion. It's indeed a proud achievement of Shadia Begum studying in class 7th. She has secured first position in Kerala State Amateur Kickboxing Championship. Congratulations dear Shadia, you are an inspiration for all of us. Online Chess Championship. When we aim to achieve, everyone's path is unique. Anusha Srijit of class 8 had participated in the TK Joseph Memorial All Kerala Schools Open Online Chess Championship 2021 and got qualified to participate in the state finals under category 3, 5th to 8th standard girls. Congratulations on your well-deserved success, Anusha. Energy Conservation Day. Energy Conservation Day is observed every year on December 14th. The day focuses on making people aware of global warming and climate change and promotes effort towards saving energy resource. Class 1 to 5 students of our Vidyalaya participated in the awareness activities conducted as a part of the day. Slogan writing, riddle making, reminder cards making are few activities done by them. Chinmaya Sangeetotsavam. Guruvayur Ekadashi Chinmaya Sangeetotsavam 2021 was organized in Chinmaya Tapovan, Sri Guruvayurappan Temple at Palakkad. The students of our Vidyalaya, Adi Lakshmi, Saran and Shandini participated in the Sangeetotsavam. Skating star. If you train hard, you will be not only hard, you will be hard to beat. Our young champion, Meghna of class 4, who is always willing to go longer, work harder and give more than anyone else, defeating all challenges, has participated in the National Roller Skating Competition held at Delhi. Congrats dear Meghna. Now moving on to the special program, Awakening Indians to India, Session 23, Indian Literature. Let me welcome Andrit of class 3rd.
Hariom, Awakening Indians to India, book by Chinmaya Yogendra. The word Veda literally means knowledge, the knowledge, power, excellence or supreme knowledge. It is almost impossible to perceive and fully understand the ethos or spiritual and cultural lives of Indians without having an insight into the Vedas. The themes appearing in the Vedas are eternal and are relevant to the humanity for all times to come. This knowledge continued incessantly being transmitted from centuries to centuries, from generation to generation by word of mouth. Rig Veda. Of all the four Vedic Samhitas, the Rig Veda Samhita is the oldest and has a preeminent place in the Vedic literature. The concept of Vasudeva Kudumbakam or universal oneness was propounded in the Rig Veda. Samaveda. The Samaveda, knowledge of chanted hymns, in a way stands between the poetic Vedas and the ritualistic Vedas. Sama stands for love of God and consists of hymns of devotion. The verses are traditionally chanted on different ceremonial occasions. Yajurveda. It is a collection of yajus, the mantras in prose which are specially useful to the Advaryu priests during sacrifices. The Yajurveda Samhita is in two major forms, the Krishna Yajurveda Samhita and Shukla Yajurveda Samhita. Atharva Veda. Atharva Veda is also known as Brahma Veda. The contents of these Vedas ranges from diseases and their cure, building construction, trade and commerce, statecraft, penances and propitiatory rites. High philosophical ideas, much nearer to those of Upanishads, are also found. Tirukural. The Tirukural of Tiruvalluvar is the greatest treasure house of wisdom in Tamil and the gift of Tamil Nadu to the world. Tiruvalluvar. The author diagnoses the intricacies of human nature with such penetrating insight, perfect mastery, and consummate skill, absorbing the most subtle concepts of modern psychology that is one left wondering at its depth. It is a work linked with the life of the people in all its aspects. Srimad Bhagavatam. The Bhagavata Purana, one of the holiest scriptures of India, is a treasure of both spiritual as well as scientific wealth. It has the setting of a great saint Sukadev narrating to the great king Parikshit the description of incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Indian literature is an ocean. Let us try today and try to pick a few shells to revive ourselves. Meet you all soon in the next session about Indian literature. Thank you.
Thank you, Anirudh. It's really great to know about our nation's literature. There is no density beyond and above ourselves. We are ourselves the architects of our future. With this exuberant quote of our Pujya Gurudev, Swami Chinmayanandaji, this is Shivani Pradeep signing off. Stay safe, stay healthy and stay positive. Thank you.